Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SIPC coverage with your brokerage, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify SIPC coverage with your brokerage, start by identifying your brokerage firm. Visit your brokerage's official website. Look for a section related to investor protection or SIPC information. Read through the provided details to confirm they mention SIPC coverage. If the information isn't readily available, locate the brokerage's contact details. Consider calling or emailing their customer service for clarification. Ask specifically about their SIPC coverage and how it protects your assets. Request documentation or a link that outlines their SIPC membership status. Once you receive this information, go to the SIPC official website. Navigate to the Member Firms section. Enter the name of your brokerage in the search bar. Verify that your brokerage is listed as a member of SIPC. Take note of the coverage limits provided by SIPC. Understand that SIPC covers up to $500,000, including a maximum of $250,000 for cash claims. Check for any additional insurance your brokerage may offer beyond SIPC coverage. Read the fine print for limitations or exclusions in their policies. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to ask your brokerage for more details. Keep records of your correspondence for future reference. Review your brokerage statements regularly to ensure your investments are documented correctly. Stay informed about any changes in your brokerage's SIPC status. By following these steps, you'll gain peace of mind regarding your investment protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.